Oh, wow, this is a great hill climb.
One take there, no problem.
How important is CV alignment on these vehicles? We've already had some drama with the Colorado 7 breaking two CVs. Obviously they're quite delicate.
As soon as you lift the vehicle, then the CV angle changes and it starts running the CVs at a sharper angle than what they were designed to run at as a constant. Make sure that they're using an item like a diff drop to correct the CV angle.
What we've done with the Roadsafe D-Max diff drop kit, this is actually a cross-member piece that drops and relocates the diff into the correct position. There's also a tail shaft spacer so that it put the tail shaft back into the same position as what it was inserting into the diff. The kit, it's made of two metals basically because it's made of several parts, and whatever metal works the best is what we use. We have steel for the cross member for the strength and rigidity. Then for weight reduction, also retaining strength, is the spacers and all the clips.
And it really doesn't affect the clearance underneath the vehicle. You're still not dropping it below the bash plate, are you?
No, for example, we've just done one for the D-Max that I'm on now, and it's a 20mm drop, but the diff drop we use is actually a relocator as well, so it not only drops the diff, but it relocates it into a better position.
Pretty much any lift will benefit from a diff drop, and you relate it to the lift you have as to what diff drop you use. You'd find it from any Roadsafe dealer or distributor. Pretty much any four-wheel drive store, you're going to be able to get them.